Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a young man named Linus Torvalds. Linus was a curious and clever student who loved to explore the world of computers. He lived in a country called Finland, where the northern lights danced in the sky and the winters were long and cold. One day, in the year 1991, Linus found himself frustrated. He was using an operating system called MS-DOS on his computer, but he wasn't happy with it. It was like a toy that didn't work the way he wanted it to. He wished for an operating system that was more flexible, more powerful, and more fun. So Linus decided to create his own operating system. He worked day and night, typing away at his keyboard, writing lines and lines of code. He was like a wizard, casting spells in a language only computers could understand. After many weeks, Linus had created something truly special. He called it Linux, a combination of his name, Linus, and Unix, the name of another operating system that had inspired him. Linux was like a magical creature, ready to help those who knew how to speak its language. But Linus didn't want to keep Linux all to himself. He believed that everyone should have the chance to use and improve it. So, he decided to share Linux with the world. He made it open source, which meant anyone could see how it was made, use it for free, and even make it better if they could. People from all around the world started to use Linux. Some were like Linus, students who loved to explore and learn. Others were professionals, looking for a powerful tool to help them with their work. And some were just curious, wanting to see what this new thing was all about. Many people also started to improve Linux, adding new features and fixing problems. They were like a team of builders, each adding their own brick to a growing tower. Linux became better and better, thanks to the collective effort of this worldwide community. As time went on, Linux started to appear in all sorts of places. It was used in supercomputers, powering the most complex calculations. It was used in phones, helping people communicate with each other. It was even used in cars, planes, and trains, making sure they ran smoothly and safely. Today, Linux is everywhere, even though many people don't know it. It's like a silent helper, always there in the background, making sure our digital world runs smoothly. And all this, thanks to the vision and effort of a young man from Finland and the worldwide community that joined him on his journey. So, next time you use a computer, a phone, or even a car, remember the story of Linux. Remember how it started as a young man's dream and how it grew into a worldwide project that helps millions of people every day. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one adding your own brick to the Tower of Linux.